We are building a global community of impact that is driven by the people of Ayiti. As a transnational community foundation, a key area of focus for Ayiti Community Trust is the Section Communale, the 571 rural communities all across Ayiti that are at the forefront of innovative solutions to boost the local economy and cultivate the next generation of visionary entrepreneurs. We are mobilizing the Haitian nation, the people of Ayiti who live in country and the diaspora, along with the friends of Ayiti who stand in solidarity. With the strength of our community, we are growing a permanent endowment fund that will sustain Haitian-led solutions for generations to come. Join us, united in purpose and legacy, to activate your networks from all across the globe to shape a new future with the Haitian people. Wherever you are in the world, Ayiti Community Trust is a vehicle for you to drive transformative change and help create the Ayiti we know is possible. With you, we are building a sustainable Ayiti.